Well, I've had a little break, been out and had coffee, I've come back again. I've checked all my 27 megahertz transmitters and none of them talk to this. I went through them again just in case I'd missed something, like whether pressing that button first made any difference, but it doesn't. You can see there's nothing written on the black blob, so we're no further forwards as to what chipset it uses for the receiver. So all that's left now really is just to finish taking it apart so we can see the bits and pieces on how it works. Just an external look. We've got a motor there, electric motor. That appears to drive the this bit here, which is the steering, which makes the plane bank from one side to the other, and also turns this little wheel on the back, which actually is jammed solid anyway, doesn't spin. And we've got the steering adjuster there, or the centre adjustment. So we can take that out and have a look at it. And then at the front end, we've got the drive motor, which drives these wheels and also, these wheels, and also turns the motor, which has got some sort of clutch release mechanism there, so that if somebody tries to force the propeller around, it just skips over. The yellow and green wires which go to that motor are terminated on here, which is actually labelled M1, I think that says F for forwards, and then the white and blue wires are terminated here where it says Moto, M-O-T-O, LR for left right. So what can we take out easiest? Looks like we can take all this out. You're going to lift up, aren't you? Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, just needed releasing. Okay, so that links all the banking with the steering. I'm not physically going to take that apart, I don't see any point in doing that. Although we could just see the plastic spring in there that does the centering. Because people like to see the steering on these things. Right, so we've got a plastic spring at the back there that does the centering. Which you adjust by turning that drop out anyway? Yeah, it drops out. It'd probably be a good idea to get that out and try and free it up a bit, because that, as I say, it's not spinning at all. That looks like cotton or wool, not hair. Right, we'll put that back together. Okay, which screw was that? I've forgotten already. That's not good. I should think it was that one. Right, so what will we look at next? Looks like this unit will come out and we can have a look at that, which is the steering unit. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.